Hi, it's Nadia. Today we are going to make banana chocolate chip muffins. It's egg-free, dairy-free, my favorite vegan snack choice. Let's see the ingredients. We'll need 100 grams of plant flour, 20 grams of whole wheat flour, or in total 1 cup, 120 grams of your flour choice. A teaspoon of baking powder, a quarter teaspoon of baking soda, a quarter teaspoon of sea salt, 2 ripe bananas, about 2 cups, 360 grams, a tablespoon of golden brown sugar, optional, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, melted, a quarter cup of chocolate chips, about 40 grams. Now let's get started. Oil the baking pan. Preheat oven to 180 degrees Celsius, about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Sift dry ingredients. Mashed bananas. Add oil and sugar. Mix dry and wet ingredients. Add chocolate chips. Scoop batter into baking pan. Add more chocolate touch. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes. Let it cool down in a cake rack. Voila! Can't wait to enjoy it. This is the light and healthy vegan version of my favorite banana muffins. Especially depends on how sweet the bananas are. We can reduce the use of sugar, and in a lot of times there's no added sugar needed. Just to utilize banana's natural sweetness. This recipe makes 6 standard-sized muffins, a small batch to enjoy it freshly. Or we can multiply the recipe to make a larger batch to store in advance. Just mix, stir, and bake. Then we'll have good snack or good breakfast. How simple it is. I wish you enjoyed this video. Give the recipe a try. Leave me comments or questions. And please always remember that life is beautiful. You are cherished and blessed. Thank you for your watching and considering to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye!